Good morning, Hoover community. I'm Dr. Costa. This is the weekly bulletin for the first week in December. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving fall recess. I was fortunate enough to get lots of rest, spend time with friends and family. I hope that you did as well. We've got 3 weeks of important work to do here at Hoover before we break for winter. Again, thanks for joining me. I hope you had a wonderful fall break. Celebrating Hoover, the best of the best. Here at Hoover, we are building brilliance, and part of that is getting you ready for high school. So we have some important information regarding high school applications. Thank you, Mrs. Ruesga. So December 12th looks like our deadline to complete that high school application. Let me get my picture out of the way. We have various high school information nights, and this information is on our website. Mrs. Ruesga shared this community-wide. So if you have a list of 3, 5, or more schools that you want to check out before you decide and complete your application, there are opportunities here for you. And this all relates to high school applications for our 8th graders, but it's really important, 6th and 7th grade families, that you make sure that we have your correct contact information and that your home address is correct as well. So any questions about that process for the high school applications, please reach out to Mrs. Ruesga. Attendance goals. If you remember, hopefully, before we went on Thanksgiving break, 8th graders had won the attendance challenge. They had an attendance rate of above 96%. So they were awarded with a Spirit Week, and they had a lot of fun. And we're going to continue the grade level competition, the grade level with the highest attendance rate above 96% for the next 2 weeks. So again, the grade level that has the highest attendance rate above 96% for the next 2 weeks will have a Spirit Week the week before we go on the holiday break, the fall break. So please show up to school unless you're very sick or injured. But if you're healthy, come to school. If it's a little sniffle, that's fine. But we need you at school so we could focus on our important work of learning and building character. Some important reminders here at Hoover. We are focused on learning and growing in mathematics and writing and critical thinking. We are working together with teachers to make sure that we are assigning you challenging tasks to give you opportunities to discuss using academic vocabulary. Also at Hoover, it's incredibly important to be safe to school, leaving school, going home. Please make sure you're making responsible choices. Do not cross the street unless you look both ways and it is clear. Thank you very much for considering safety. Kindness and respect. Here at Hoover, we are an anti-bullying campus like all of our Long Beach Unified School District campuses. We lead with kindness and respect, and we support all of our classmates. Rule reminders: when you are exiting the classroom or entering the classroom, please keep your hands and feet to yourself. No running when we're dismissing from first period to second period or any other passing period. Exiting campus, we are not running out the doors. We are not running down the hallways. We are walking safely and responsibly. We continue to be a no cell phone campus and focus on tardy sweeps. Great job with your compliance and honoring those agreements. Teachers, please make sure you are greeting students at the door and helping out with hallway supervision, please. Some reminders from our Wellness Center. This is our calendar for the Wellness Center for this week. And this is our school calendar for this week. I'll ask Miss Marcy, our office manager, to send out some additional calendar reminders, but this is what our calendar looks like this week. On Wednesday, we have some principals visiting our campus, about 15 principals and some VIPs from central office. So they'll be here Wednesday in the morning. They should be gone by lunch, but they will be visiting a couple of classrooms. Do your best, stay focused, and do what we do here at Hoover, which is focused on learning and safety. Faculty meeting Thursday. That's it. Short broadcast. Again, welcome back. Thank you for joining. Have a wonderful week. Please always remember, scholars make dollars and a difference.